Good morning, everyone. Chuck Ott here. I wanted to make this video for both of my drawing classes. I'm teaching 2 classes this semester, and I'm hoping that we can organize these in such a way that you guys get to meet each other from the different classes, not just the class you're in. So anyway, before I get into that, I just wanted to say welcome to class. I'm looking forward to working with you guys. My hair's a little long, so I'm going to have to get a cut soon. It's starting to drive me out of my mind. Anyway, so the first week, I wanted to walk through that. So the most important thing for you guys to do is to get the kit. And in that email, the all-class email I sent you guys, I explained a little bit about how to order the kit. Or I explained, I think, well, how to order the kit and pick it up, okay? I want to stress this. If you don't have the kit, you probably have paper sitting around your house and you probably have pencils, so you can get the first set of drawings going this week, okay? So don't delay in getting the kit and don't put off on the drawings because we're going to be mostly working with pencil in the first week. So don't put off drawing, okay? You don't want to let the work backload so that you have tons of drawing to do and then you're slamming through it and you're not doing as good a job as you could, right? On the drawings, building those skill sets and knowledge base. All right, so the kit is really important. Let's try to, if you need help with it, let me know. Also, if you're not in the Portland area, we can find places for you to pick up the materials, okay, instead of having it shipped to you. All right, so let's walk through this list, the first week list. The kits are really important. Zoom meetings. I'm going to be sending out a Doodle survey to you guys with these times set up for Zoom meetings. Tuesday and Thursday, 9 to 12. And then 1 to 4. So I know that you guys do not have to come to the Zoom meetings because the class is totally online. However, the Zoom meetings serve a really wonderful purpose. They are a check-in, and you get to meet each other and have a live conversation about what's going on in class, your thoughts about the drawings and whatnot, and you'll be able to just check in and have a conversation with me. I will be available for those times, okay? The first set of drawings, there's some things I want you to do this week. Excuse me. We'll be sending out the guidelines for the first set of contour, open and blind contour line drawings, and gesture drawings. Now, if some of you guys looked at the site and saw 22 drawings, let me take some of the stress away right away. Many of those drawings are going to be short 1 to 2 minute drawings. They're the gesture drawings, okay? Then the contour line drawings are going to be broken up into 2 different types of drawings. Well, there's open and blind, and I'll explain these. Open is when you can look at the drawing paper. You can look at the drawing paper as you draw, and the blind is when you only look at the object you're drawing. Okay, I'll get into those more in the discussions and in the videos, okay? So in the blind, we're going to be working 5-minute ones where you're holding your hand in different positions and you're drawing your hand as well as household objects, okay? And two large interiors. Your choice of where you want to work from. Interior and I think even exterior. Whatever you want to work from. And those 2 drawings are going to be longer winded drawings. We're going to start them this week and we're going to finish them in a week or so. So those are going to have tons of information in it. The other drawings are more like the hands and the objects. The smaller ones, shorter ones, they're like helping you get into the exercise. All right. So that's pretty much it. Look for, excuse me, look for the guidelines to the first set of drawings, which should be up on Brightspace sometime this morning before noon. All right, so this video is going up first, then the guidelines, and then the doodle the doodle survey with the times. I'm really asking you to fill out that and let me know when you guys can join the meeting, so I have a list of that. All right. And there's one other thing I wanted to say, which was the meetings, the doodle. I'm going to be sending you a short series, something to read about contour and gesture drawings. It's a short passage. That's it. Very short. It'll help you get into the drawings. All right. So we'll see you soon. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you, talking to you, helping you build your drawing skills. Have a great semester. And one last final note, you can reach out to me anytime you want. c@smccme.edu. Sometime when we get going, I will be sharing with you my cell phone number. Okay, so that if you're needing to talk to me right away, you can text me. All right, that'll happen later this week. All right, have a great one, guys, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.